Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, my name is Amina. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. So if it's your first time, thank you so much for clicking in. If you like this kind of content, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you my returning subscriber, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for always coming back. Kindly please don't forget to watch the ads, like the video, share the video if you see there's a need to share. And yeah, man, thank you so much again. So guys, in today's video, I am taking you along to do my mini grocery haul, just few things that I needed. Also just took advantage again to spend time with my daughter away from the boys. So yeah guys, we make this grocery haul. Personally, I'm not talking for everyone. I make it to make content, guys, to keep them videos coming. We're not here to show off. Like, I have to explain this sometimes, guys. I know I've been here for long and people have watched these whatever videos that I upload, but just don't take it like so deep. Like, we're not showing off here. We're just showing our normal life. Obviously it's gonna be public, and then it seems as if we are showing off. No, we're making a content. We need to upload videos to generate whatever we're trying to make on this YouTube street. Do you understand? We need to be consistent, and to be consistent we need to upload whatever we can to keep this YouTube thing going. Yeah guys, and I find it also by myself also, I always find it interesting to see what other people eat, although my grocery hauls are not interesting because I don't go deep at, yeah, it's usually just those few things that I'll share with you guys, but I don't really go deep because, yeah, I don't go deep if I'm being honest. I buy slowly, and beside that, if I'm just being honest, I don't want to also show too much. I try to limit what I show, because now you must think, as much as I still want to share, make content, I don't feel it's necessary to completely 100% show. People, they look and they judge, and then they make so many assumptions just by watching few things in your life. So hence, yeah, it's just, yeah, especially I've told you guys before that me and grocery hauls, it's something that I like to do. I do like to do, but in honestly, some people who are not YouTubers, and if they know you personally, it's not taken in a good way, and it just brings a lot of bad eye. I don't know why. I don't know why people will even give a bad eye for someone buying whatever they're buying. Yeah, it creates a lot of jealousy because people are struggling outside, and when people see you buying whatever you are buying, how can I say, I don't know how to explain this, man. I'm not good at explaining this because I don't want it must also come across in a bad way, but us as content creators, we just need to be careful, what we show. I've learned that a lot. What we show, we really need to be careful at what we show. Hence, I don't show much. But because I was vlogging this month, obviously, I did show some parts of my life which I will normally wouldn't show, because I'm not here in this YouTube street for you guys to really fully get to know my life. Yeah, my life is my life. I'm private, and I like to keep it like that. And the more you don't show much, the more I think it's the better. Let me just say it like that. Vlogtober is coming to an end. It's actually ended already. Like, guys, it's been difficult. It's been extremely difficult, but we did it. I pushed. There was some nights where I didn't know what I was going to upload. I had to make up a plan. I think in the whole month, maybe about 10 days, that I had to create content same day and edit same day and upload it. Yeah, and those days were not easy. Definitely this month. Okay, if I'm telling you honestly, guys, if I didn't have help, probably will not be doing Vlogtober. But I did it because there was someone helping me in the house, so I was able, to get time to sit down and edit. But if I don't have a helper, I kid you not, there's just no time. Yeah, so guys, anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. I appreciate all your support, and we will be going back to our cleaning video. I think maybe I will upload 2 videos a week as normal as I usually do. I was also thinking maybe I can make it 3, but we'll see. And I'm just planning on maybe making one video will be a whole house clean with me, and the second video haven't decided, but the second video will be laundry. Yeah, that's what I'm planning to do on this channel. One video, the whole house clean with me. Second video, laundry motivation. That's how I'm thinking I'm gonna be managing this channel from now on. I think that will be easy, be better for me. As I said, I'm really limiting to show my life. There's just a lot of bad eye, guys. Lot of bad eyes. As we as YouTubers, we need to we need to pray. We need to try not to show much of our personal life. Yeah, it's difficult because at the same time we want to make content, and we really do wish that everyone who's clicking in our videos, they click with the clear intention, with a good heart, but unfortunately that's not always the case. So yeah, anyway guys, I think I've said everything I want to say. Now there will be a smaller nyana grocery haul, just me showing you what I bought. I hope you do enjoy the video. I will see you on my next upload. I went to buy. Things are expensive, guys. Anyway, let's go through my grocery and check what I got. So this side, it's all from Pick and Pay. I got the cocktail scones. These are actually very tasty. I don't think they are baked by this particular Pick and Pay. I think they're orange in their whatever. Yeah, I got the scones for 29 rand, and I got this snowflake. Usually I buy 10 kg, but this was at the good price. I think it was 50 rand for 2. So I decided to take both of it since we've started to make roti. I started to make my dough with only brown flour. So yeah, I just need this for baking. But usually we buy 10 kg because roti is like our main thing in this house. And then I got this mini brown pita bread for lunchbox. But I don't use it as a pita bread. I use it as a pizza base. Like I just put some tomato sauce, whatever I can put, and I put cheese, whatever I want to put. I send it to school, especially for my little one, since he like pizza. Okay, also got Itamore. This original blue label, what is it, Mara biscuits, golden apples. I got gem squash, got the watermelon. This was also on sale. I think it was this 9 times 2 for 100 rand. I got these tomatoes, guys. So this is jam tomatoes. That's what they write here. Jam tomatoes. Got these tomatoes. I got this butternut almond milk influenced by Pogish Zehata. She influenced me. This is my second bottle actually. When the mall opened, I bought one at Clicks, but it's a different flavor. Forgot what is it. Yeah, so it's actually tasty. It's actually tasty. I was just like thinking, okay. And the bottle looks like it's actually more even expensive than the price. It's around about 30 something rand, which is reasonable. I think it's not that expensive. Okay, it is expensive, yeah. And then mostly granola without raisins, guys. I got this citric acid. I am going to make a video for you guys. I'm gonna be making some toilet vlogs. You guys will see on that video if I make it. And then got extra virgin olive oil. It was also on sale, if I remember nicely. Yeah, it was. It went down. Yeah, it was. Got Clean. Got 2 Nescafe cappuccino with white chalk and just cappuccino alone. Got these 2 Tropica. This is my daughter's favorite. I like this one, hence we bought 2 of them, which I didn't see the need, but because she like this, I like this. I said, okay. You pick up 2 spaghetti. I actually got 2 cucumbers, but the other one, they already, my son already started with it. 2 cheese curls, and then for this side, and we got cheddar cheese. Also got fish fingers. Okay, so okay, I think I'm finished now with all this. This was all Pick and Pay, guys. Things are expensive. Things are expensive, but anyway, we're not there. And then here, this is all from Woolies. This is all from Woolies. Here, my daughter picked up this mini crunchy dairy ice cream. Yeah, got bananas. They've already opened the bananas. Got lemons. This was just on sale. It was 20% if you take 2. So hence I was actually looking for my air freshener at Pick and Pay, but I couldn't get, so that's why I pick up this at Woolies just to check it. I'm gonna put it in both bathrooms and see how it smells, if it will keep the place smelling good. Got a must see. So all these things that I bought this side, it's the things that I like to go especially for to go buy at Woolies. Yeah, especially when it comes to bananas. I've told you guys before. Grapes I do buy at Checkers. But Pick and Pay fruits, I'm not fully sold on their fruits when it comes to freshness. Not everything though. I'm not saying everything is like that, but I'm just used to buying fruits at Checkers. So when I checked their strawberries at Pick and Pay, I didn't like it, so I decided, okay, I'm gonna pick them up at what do you call this, at Woolworths. And then obviously we always have to have croissant in the house. This is very useful in my house. I freeze it, and whenever we know we don't have anything to eat, we didn't cook, we always run on this. And I also use it for lunch box. My daughter love it with chicken inside. Got rosemary, guys. I'm gonna be doing a DIY oil DIY for hair, ne? So I got this, also gonna use it for cooking obviously, but I also just got it specially for that DIY that I will do soon, maybe on my cooking channel, because it's food, you know, it's things from the kitchen. So we try to grow that side, so it's a content for my cooking channel, which is iOS Cooking. Please do subscribe that side. And I'm on the road to 1K that side. I'm so close with my watch hours. Please do support, please. And then the white hamburgers, we got this also for lunchbox. This I'm thinking maybe we're gonna make it just now. My daughter is busy preparing things to eat like right now, lunchtime. This is also what they call it, a dry croissant or something. I think so. What they call this one? Plain rustic. It's a plain rusticata. That's the name of it. Okay, guys, this is how my grocery haul went today. And the last things that I got, this I got from Mr. Price, guys. I got this from Mr. Price. I just wanted to have a change. Singular bowl from Mr. Price. It was $59.99. And I also got this cushion covers. They were 59 rand. Yeah. You know what, when it comes to cushion covers, I'm always confused what to put, but I just needed a change with my my gray ones. You guys will see when I clean again my living room. And then I will put that. And actually what I was picking up, guys, it's so difficult when you have a toddler, when you go do shopping for any house item, because now you always need to think about they're going to break it, you know. So I'm always just looking for something that even if it goes down, it won't break. So hence I pick up this. I'm not sure where I'm going to use it, but I needed this, something similar to this. But we'll see when I'm sorting out my living room where I'm gonna put it. And actually I was not buying this, guys. There was a special of if you spend 500 rand, then you get 100 rand discount. So I just picked up this, you know, anything woody, you know me, I love it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next upload. Bye bye.